Narowal, a district nestled in the fertile province of Punjab, Pakistan, stands as a testament to the region's rich history and natural bounty. This area, with its lush green fields and vibrant landscapes, is a living canvas of nature's artistry. The district is not just a geographical location, it is a living, breathing entity that has evolved over centuries, shaped by the hands of time and the hearts of its people. Situated near the Indian border, it has witnessed the ebb and flow of civilizations, each leaving an indelible mark on its soil. The proximity to the border has made Narowal a silent witness to the historical events that have shaped the subcontinent. From ancient trade routes to the tumultuous times of partition, Narowal has seen it all. The remnants of these bygone eras are scattered across the district, leaving behind a legacy etched in its soil and woven into its cultural fabric. These ancient ruins and historical monuments stand as silent sentinels, guarding the stories of the past and offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked these lands. The land, generous and life-giving, has nurtured a vibrant tapestry of traditions where agriculture thrives alongside a deep reverence for nature. The fields of Narowal are not just plots of land. They are the lifeblood of the community, sustaining generations with their bounty. Here, the rhythm of life is dictated by the cycles of sowing and harvesting, a dance as old as time itself. The farmers, with their hands in the soil and eyes on the sky, embody the spirit of resilience and hard work that defines Narowal. Narowal's story is intricately linked to the legendary river Ravi, which flows through its heart, shaping its landscape and sustaining its people. The river is more than just a body of water. It is a lifeline, a source of sustenance, and a symbol of the district's enduring connection to nature. The district's name itself is believed to be derived from Naro, a water channel that once flowed through the region, reflecting the profound connection between the land and its waterways. This historical link underscores the importance of water in the life and culture of Narowal. The people of Narowal, known for their warm hospitality and hard-working spirit, have cultivated a unique cultural identity. Their lives are a testament to the enduring human spirit, thriving in harmony with the land and each other. Their traditions, often rooted in agriculture and the rhythms of nature, are celebrated with vibrancy and joy. Festivals in Narowal are a riot of colors, sounds and flavors, reflecting the community's zest for life and deep-rooted cultural heritage. From colorful festivals to intricate handicrafts, the essence of Narowal is a blend of simplicity and artistic expression. The local artisans, with their skilled hands, create works of art that are both functional and beautiful, embodying the spirit of the land. Generations have lived in harmony with the land, their lives intertwined with the cycles of sowing and harvesting. This symbiotic relationship with nature is evident in every aspect of their daily lives, from the food they eat to the stories they tell. This deep-rooted connection is reflected in their folklore, music and cuisine, showcasing a profound respect for the natural world that surrounds them. The melodies of traditional folk songs and the aromas of home-cooked meals are a testament to the rich cultural tapestry of Narowal. Narowal welcomes travelers with open arms, inviting them to experience the warmth of its culture and the serene beauty of its landscapes. Visitors are not just guests. They are embraced as part of the community, sharing in the simple yet profound joys of life in this green oasis. Narowal's geographical character is defined by its fertile plains, a gift of the mighty Indus River system. This river system, one of the longest in the world, has been the lifeline of civilizations for millennia. Its waters nourish the land, making it one of the most fertile regions in the country. The district occupies a strategic position in the fertile region of Punjab, Pakistan, nestled between the bustling cities and the serene countryside. This location not only provides a unique blend of urban and rural lifestyles, but also makes it a hub for trade and cultural exchange. Bordered by the Ravi River to its south and east, Narowal benefits immensely from the river's resources. The Ravi River, with its historical significance, has been a witness to the rise and fall of empires, and today, it continues to be a vital source of irrigation and sustenance for the region. This strategic location has made it a historical crossroads, shaping its cultural landscape over centuries. Ancient trade routes crisscrossed this land, bringing with them diverse cultures, traditions and innovations that have left an indelible mark on Narowal's identity. The landscape of Narowal, predominantly flat and characterized by alluvial soil, is a testament to the life-giving power of the Ravi River. This rich, fertile soil is perfect for agriculture, allowing farmers to cultivate a variety of crops throughout the year. The Ravi River's irrigation capabilities have transformed the region into a lush green paradise. The river's waters flow through an intricate network of canals and tributaries, ensuring that every inch of farmland receives the hydration it needs to thrive. The river's course has sculpted the land over millennia, creating a landscape that is both beautiful and bountiful. The meandering paths of the river have deposited layers of fertile silt, enriching the soil and making it ideal for agriculture, depositing fertile silt that makes Narowal an agricultural heartland. This silt, rich in nutrients, ensures that the crops grown here are of the highest quality, contributing significantly to the region's economy and food security. The flat terrain, interspersed with canals and tributaries, creates a picturesque patchwork of fields and villages. These water channels not only provide irrigation but also add to the scenic beauty of the region, making it a delightful sight for visitors and locals alike. The picturesque fields and villages of Narowal are a testament to the harmonious relationship between nature and human endeavor. The rural landscape, with its vibrant fields and quaint villages, paints a picture of serenity and productivity. The region experiences a semi-arid climate with distinct seasons that dictate the rhythm of life. Each season brings its own set of challenges and opportunities, shaping the agricultural practices and lifestyle of the people. Summers are hot and humid, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. Despite the heat, the people of Narowal continue their agricultural activities, adapting to the harsh conditions with resilience and determination. The monsoon season, from July to September, brings much-needed relief with its life-giving rains. These rains rejuvenate the land, filling the rivers and canals and ensuring that the fields remain lush and productive. Winters are mild and short-lived, with temperatures rarely dropping below freezing. This mild climate allows for the cultivation of winter crops, adding to the diversity and richness of Narowal's agricultural output. This climate, characterized by long sunshine hours and ample water resources, makes Narowal ideal for agriculture. The abundant sunlight ensures that crops receive the energy they need to grow, while the water resources provide the necessary hydration. The combination of these factors results in bountiful agricultural land, with fields ready for harvest throughout the year. Farmers work tirelessly to ensure that the land remains productive, contributing to the region's prosperity. The fertile land yields a rich variety of crops, including wheat, rice, sugarcane, and cotton, each crop playing a crucial role in the local and national economy, making it a significant contributor to Pakistan's agricultural output. The region's agricultural success is a source of pride for its people, showcasing their hard work and dedication. The interplay of geography and climate has shaped Narowal's identity as a land of abundance, where the natural environment and human effort come together to create a thriving agricultural landscape, where nature's bounty and human endeavor go hand in hand. This harmonious relationship is the cornerstone of Narowal's success, ensuring that the region remains a vital part of Pakistan's agricultural heartland. Narowal's fertile plains and the life-giving waters of the Ravi River support a diverse ecosystem teeming with an array of flora and fauna. The region's natural vegetation, though significantly altered by human activity, still reflects the richness of its biodiversity. The landscape is dotted with trees like the shisham, known for its sturdy wood, and the kikar, which provides shade and sustenance to both humans and animals. Eucalyptus trees, introduced during colonial times, stand tall along roadsides, their distinctive aroma filling the air. The fertile fields are carpeted with seasonal crops, transforming the landscape into a vibrant patchwork of green and gold. Wildflowers like the delicate fulwari and the bright yellow sarsen add splashes of color to the landscape, attracting bees and butterflies. Narowal's skies and waterways are home to a variety of bird species. The graceful black kites soaring overhead, the playful sparrows chirping in the fields, and the vibrant kingfishers diving for fish in the canals add life and melody to the surroundings. The Ravi River, though facing ecological challenges, still supports a variety of fish species, including rohu, mahseer, and catfish. The region's diverse ecosystem is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Efforts to conserve and protect this natural heritage are crucial to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty and bounty of Narowal's natural world. The flora of Narowal is a vibrant tapestry of life, with each plant and tree playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The shisham tree, for instance, is not only valued for its durable wood, but also for its ability to provide shelter and food for various bird species. The kikar tree, with its sprawling branches, offers a cool respite from the sun for both humans and animals. These trees, along with the eucalyptus, create a unique blend of native and introduced species that define the region's landscape. The eucalyptus trees, with their tall, slender trunks and aromatic leaves, have become an integral part of Narowal's scenery. Originally brought to the region during colonial times, these trees have adapted well to the local environment. Their presence along roadsides and fields not only adds to the aesthetic beauty of the area, but also plays a role in soil conservation and providing habitat for various insects and birds. The fertile fields of Narowal are a testament to the region's agricultural heritage. Seasonal crops such as wheat, rice, and sugarcane dominate the landscape, creating a patchwork of green and gold that changes with the seasons. These crops not only sustain the local population, but also contribute to the region's economy. The sight of fields swaying in the wind is a reminder of the hard work and dedication of the farmers who cultivate this land. Among the wildflowers that dot the fields, the fulwari and sarsen stand out for their beauty and ecological importance. The fulwari, with its delicate petals, and the bright yellow sarsen, are not only visually stunning, but also play a crucial role in supporting pollinators like bees and butterflies. These insects in turn help in the pollination of crops and other plants, ensuring the continued fertility of the land. The bird life of Narowal is equally diverse and captivating. The black kite with its graceful flight is a common sight in the skies, while the sparrows bring a sense of joy with their constant chirping. The kingfisher, with its vibrant colors and impressive diving skills, adds a splash of color to the waterways. These birds, along with many others, contribute to the rich tapestry of life that defines Narowal. The Ravi River, despite facing numerous ecological challenges, remains a lifeline for the region. Its waters support a variety of fish species, including the prize rohu, marcia, and catfish. These fish are not only important for the local diet, but also play a role in maintaining the ecological balance of the river. Efforts to clean and protect the Ravi are essential to ensure that it continues to support the diverse life forms that depend on it. The natural world of Narowal is a delicate balance of flora and fauna, each element playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect this rich biodiversity and ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty and bounty of Narowal's natural heritage. By preserving the natural habitats and promoting sustainable practices, we can help maintain the ecological balance and support the diverse life forms that call Narowal home. The region's diverse ecosystem is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Efforts to conserve and protect this natural heritage are crucial to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty and bounty of Narowal's natural world. By fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of the natural world, we can inspire collective action to safeguard the environment and promote a sustainable future for all.